Hello guys, today our topic is acid catalyzed esterification with mechanism. So this is the most important topic for BSc and MSc students. All the electron configurations and mechanisms, all the named reactions in our channel. So subscribe చేసుకోండి, మీకు వీడియోస్ కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. So coming to acid catalyzed esterification. So this is the definition. Acid catalyzed esterification, also known as Fischer esterification, is the reversible conservation of a carboxylic acid and an alcohol into ester and water. So this is the reversible reaction. So driven by a catalytic amount of H2SO4 in strong acid H2SO4. So what is the reaction? It is the acetic acid. So it is the acetic acid, and this is the ethyl alcohol. So ethyl alcohol. So coming to the product is ethyl acetate. So this is the reaction. What you have to take, first of all, acetic acid is reacted with ethyl alcohol in the presence of strong acid, that means H2SO4. It gave the product ethyl acetate and water. So this is the reaction, and this is the definition, guys. So coming to mechanism. So so we have to take the, first of all, acetic acid. So take the acetic acid. So what mechanism is going on, you have to listen carefully. So simple tricks, you have to write the mechanism. So it's acetic acid, you have to write like this, and oxygen got actually three lone pairs oxygen, but here double bond is there, so two lone pairs is there. So this is the acetic acid. Acetic acid is reacted with the acetic acid. This is the reversible reaction, so you have to write like this only, reversible reaction. And what you have to this is the reacted with H2SO4. So this is the acetic acid. So this acetic acid, oxygen have the lone pairs. In this lone pairs attracted to proton only, so that means H plus. Where it comes? Strong acid. So when the strong acid is always produces the what? Proton. So proton react with only lone pair electrons. So this is the process where H plus is reacted with these lone pair electrons. That means you have to write the structure. CH3 as usual. So carbon, double bond also same. Here oxygen is get reacted with, attached with hydrogen, so you have to write H. So when the lone pair is attached to the H plus, oxygen got positive charge. So in this, oxygen got positive charge. Here what you have? OH. So again, this is the reversible reaction. So normal bond, you have don't write like a normal arrow mark, you have to write like this. So coming to the next, when oxygen got positive charge, you have to nullify that positive charge. So what is the process? You have to nullify that positive charge, that means you have to remove that positive charge. How? So here a double bond have, so this double bond is attracted to oxygen side, that means proton side, that means positive charge side. When the double bond is migrate to single bond, oxygen will remove the positive charge. What is the process now? You have to nullify the positive charge, so you have to write like this. Double bond is migrated only, single bond, oxygen get OH. Now what happened? Carbon got oxygen will remove the nullify the positive charge. When the double bond is migrated to single bond, carbon get positive charge. So this is reacted with. So now this is reacted with ethyl alcohol. So you have to write ethyl alcohol. You have to write like this, ethyl alcohol. So this is reacted with ethyl alcohol. Now what is the point? You have to nullify this positive charge on the carbon. So you have to nullify this positive charge. So what you have to do in this lone pairs will get attached to the this positive carbon side. So now we have to write the product. So what is here? CH3 is there. I have to write CH3 like this only, and again carbon is there. OH is you have to write like this only. This and carbon when the you have to nullify the positive carbon, this oxygen get attached with this carbon. So now how to write this oxygen get this carbon side. So how to write this OH right below the carbon. So you have to write OH like this, and this OH. So this OH is attached to the this carbon. So now what happened? Again this have the OH is lone pair electrons. So this is the OH, and now what happened? This oxygen got, that means this oxygen got positive charge again. Now what you have to do? Again you have to nullify this positive charge. That means again you have to remove this positive charge. Then you have to write what happens here. This when you have to, this lone pair is attached to this hydrogen. That means you have to write the you have to nullify this positive charge. That means this lone pair should get attached to this hydrogen. Again then oxygen get then hydrogen get positive charge again. When the this pair is attached to this hydrogen, the hydrogen get positive charge. Now what you have to do? So when the hydrogen get positive charge, this bond is migrate to this side. That means you have to write the product CH3 as usual, and carbon is OH. Again what you have to do? OH2. That means this hydrogen is attached to this side. So again OC2H5. Directly you nullified all the positive charge. What happened here? This lone pair is attached to, that means hydrogen is attached to this side. That means OH. When the lone pair is attached to this, again this hydrogen gets positive charge. When the hydrogen gets positive charge, you have to remove the bond side. So now what happened? This OH is like this, and again oxygen will remove the positive charge. So now coming to last, here you have to remove the H2O. That means you have to remove this one. So now we have to write CH3COH. That means OH you have to write like this, and oxygen C2H5. That carbon get what charge? Positive charge. When the carbon positive charge, again you have to nullify this product. That means carbon nullify the positive charge. That means you have to write this hydrogen is removed, attracted towards oxygen side. That means minus H plus. So what is the product? CH3 C double bond O. That means this type of C double bond O C2 H5. That means what happens here? CH3 COO C2 H5. So what is the process of mechanism? When the reaction taken, at the last you should come on the product. So as usual, in this all the process you again got it ethyl acetate. So what is the process? లాస్ట్ కి ఏదైతే తీసుకుంటామో మనం అది ప్రోడక్ట్ లాస్ట్ కి రావాలి మనం. సో రియాక్టెంట్స్ తీసుకున్నాము, product, you have to prove the mechanism. So this is the most important topic guys. So don't miss to watch and subscribe చేసుకోండి, మీకు వీడియోస్ అనేది కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.